Hi, so in this video I will show you 10 logo animation After Effects templates that you can edit in your sleep. So let me show you exactly how these videos look. You're gonna love them.
The BlueFx Logo Supercharger.
Okay, so the name of this package is the BlueFx Logo Supercharger, and this is an After Effects template package that we at BlueFx have developed. In the description you'll find a link where you can find this template. This is a premium template that we produce and you can check it out. For now, in this video, I'm going to show you how quickly you can edit these templates and how quickly you can create a video with them. So let's go into After Effects and let's start making some logo animations. Okay, so this is the first logo template from this package, and you can see how this looks. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just add in a quick logo, a funny logo. Okay, I'm gonna add this hell logo inside. Okay, I'm gonna just drag it into After Effects, and next I'll go in your logo comp. You go to double click on your logo comp, okay, and just move the time indicator here. And now we're just gonna drag this new funny logo here. Now I'm gonna resize the logo so that it fits, okay, and I'm gonna just close the eyes on the other one. I'm gonna just hide the other logo, the test logo. So let's go back to the main composition. So let's see how this looks. Okay, so let me show you how this logo looks when you've added it into our animation. Of course, the template also comes with sound effects, and take a look. This is how the animation looks. And let's make some cool stuff with this, because you might be saying, okay, Szilard, but look, I don't like that blue color. I mean, my logo is red. It doesn't fit with this blue color. No problem, because for that we have a one-click color changer. All you need to do is click on this layer, click on this panel. Okay, we open up these effects, and now all you need to do now is just select some of the colors that you want to use, and of course you want to use some of the colors from your own logo. And let's say your hell logo is this. Okay, the hell logo is yours. So I'm gonna click on some of the And now let's see how this will look. Okay, looks pretty good. Okay, pretty scary. Yeah, now let's preview how this animation will look. That's pretty cool. Now, okay, at the end here you can see place your tagline here. Well, it's not looking right. Okay, so we can change that. Let's go here to the main comp. I click here to the main project, go to the main comp, and here you have your tagline. I just double click on this and write in my website's name. And why not write in bluefx.net, because that's the name of our website, BlueFx. Okay, this looks good. So you see, this is all it took to animate a logo, and the sound effects, the movements, everything is already done for you. Even the color change was instant. And most importantly, you can match the template to the colors of your brand. Okay, so that was the first logo. Let's take a look at the second logo. Okay, so now we can see the second logo animation from this amazing package, and I'm going to show you how this looks. Basically, what you can do at this point is, if you have a logo, you can just import your logo, and I'm going to do that. But if you do not have a logo, or you don't have the logo at hand, what you can do is just type in the text that you want to appear. So what you can do is to open up the U-Change folder. All of our logo templates follow this same structure. So then you go to your logo composition, and here you have this text layer. Now, if you want to change this, you can say it's my logo, my logo. Why not? Why should it be your logo? It should be my logo. Okay. And if you go back to the main composition, bam, you see it has already updated. And if I would just render out this video, it would render out the video with my logo in it. So simple. That's what we talk about. That's what we want. We want simple things. Now, what if you have a logo? Now, I've already imported the BlueFx logo in After Effects. So I'm gonna just drag and drop it right here. Okay, and I'm gonna turn off the text logo here. Okay, now all we gotta do is just scale it down, scale it down. Okay, the size is about right. Okay, let's go back to the main composition. Let's move the time indicator so we can see some stuff here. Wow, there's some action happening here already. Okay, so you see our logo animation is already in action. And then, of course, what you can do, as on all of these templates, you can change the colors. So let's play a little bit. Now we have something called here, because it's set for a blue color with this logo, it looks perfect. But you can change these colors. You can change this to red. Okay, and you can see the outline has just changed. Updating automatically. So if you have, let's say, a green logo, yeah, why not have a green outline? Okay, so I'm gonna turn this back to blue because that's the color of my logo, and let's take a look at the animation from the beginning. This looks so elegant, so simple, and so amazing. So you can see here we can also change the tagline, and it's really simple to change. You just go to the project, and here you have a composition called Your Tagline. Double click on that, and all you gotta do is just change the tagline. Double click on the text. Look, it's just like changing stuff in PowerPoint or in Word, or just writing an email basically. So yeah, www.bluefx.net. That's our website. Never forget about this website. It's the most important website on the planet. Okay, so you can see that the tagline has appeared here, and we have the logo here, and of course you can play around with the colors and all these funky, fancy movements and effects will update when you change the colors. So this is how it looks. This is how simple it is. Can you do it in your sleep? I don't know. If I close one eye, for sure I can do it. If I close both, maybe I can do it. Okay, so let's check the third template from this package, from the logo supercharger package. So by the way, if you wanna see this template in action, all you gotta do is just go to the bottom of this video. You'll find in the description a link where you can check out the product, where you can check out the templates. Okay, so template number 3. The third template from the logo supercharger package is this one, where the logo just comes together from shattered pieces. Okay, and this is how the logo animation looks. Okay, I'm showing you just parts of it. Okay, and now I'm gonna just quickly import a logo and make the magic happen. Okay, so I'm gonna bring in this one, this round logo. Okay, I just open up the hue change, go to the Your Logo comp, and drag this baby in here. Bam. Of course, we gotta turn off the other layer. Puff. You just hit the eye. You push the eye, poke the eye, boom, like this. Okay, now let's go back to the main composition and let's see what we've done, what we've made. Oh, look at this. Oh, it already updated everything, and look how good that shatter effect looks with this logo. That's amazing. Okay. And of course, this is how things will look. And at the end, we have also this tagline. So let's add also the tagline text. Okay. Okay. Haha. Let's see how this looks. Okay, it looks great. So let's preview this and see how the entire animation looks. This looks amazing. Now imagine seeing just your logo here, and you were able to do this in how much time? In a minute, 2 minutes, something like that. And that's it. And that's how easy it is to create a logo animation. Okay, now let's check out logo animation number 4. So here we can see the 4th logo animation template from this package. And you see this is a simple and elegant look that introduces your videos and introduces your brand to the public. Okay, so let's take a look. It's so simple. So what I've done is I've already switched the logo with our logo. Okay, so this is how when you get this package, this is how it comes with and you can just change this text if you want to change the text, or if you just want to show a text, it's still gonna look good. But if you import your own logo and just drag it in here, boom, and then you drag it here, right, and then you turn on the eye, of course, and turn off the eye, turn off the visibility of the old logo, and there you're gonna have your own logo, and this is how it's gonna look, like this, bam. And then you also have your tagline. You go here to the tagline and just double click on this and change the text, and you can write here whatever you want. It's gonna be yourwebsite.com. okay, and you can write whatever you want, and then it automatically appears on the main animation. So let's take a look at how this animation will look with this update. Okay, now one thing that I want to show you is that this template also has the possibility to change the colors. So for example, I can change some of the stroke colors here. So let's say you have a red template. Boom. Okay, the stroke changed. And let's say you want this, a logo, a red logo. Okay, and then what else? We can change the lens color. Let's make it look like the sun. Let's make it yellow. Okay. Yeah, some crazy colors here. A lot of action happening. Of course. Now, this would look great if your logo would be, let's say, it would have some green or something in it. Okay. Now, this is how it works. This is how simple these templates work. And I can just change it back, and then we have this effect. Okay, so now let's check out logo number 5. Okay, so this is gonna be a fun logo animation because it has so many interesting colors in it, and you'll see that this is great for, I don't know, maybe you wanna have a birthday company, or I don't know, like a company that creates these birthday events for kids, something crazy, something fun, and this template would be awesome for that. Now let me show you how this works. So we have all these dots, these colors, and so on, and you can change all of those. And now we're gonna quickly just change the logo quickly, and let's go to the Your Logo comp, as in all of our templates. Double click on the text, and this time I'm not gonna import my logo. I'm gonna just add in let's say fun logo. Okay, something like this, and we can change the color of this text. Let's say the fun is gonna look red, and we're gonna keep the logo at black. I'm gonna go to the main comp, and now you'll see that at the end the logo appears. But what I want is that these little dots, these funny animations, they should also have a different color. So I'm gonna click on this color control layer that is opened here. I go to effects, and wow, how many color changing options we got here. Let's go back to the tagline. So your tagline, okay. What should we write here? The best tagline. Okay, the best tagline. Very creative. So let's preview this video and let's take a look at how this animation looks. Okay, I'm gonna hit play and just wait a second. And you can see how well the audio works with the effects. Okay, so this is how quickly you can make a logo animation with your brand, or you can use these logos actually also for to create videos for other people, for your clients and so on. Now let's check out logo number 6. So this is logo number 6, and this is a really simple, elegant logo with this kind of like a broken mirror effect. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is just quickly drag in my logo, this round one. Okay, I'm gonna drag it in, go to the you change folder, go to the your logo comp and drag the logo in here. I'm gonna turn off the eyeball of the old logo, we don't need it anymore. And now let's take a look at the new logo. Now in this case you can see that the tagline is interfering with our logo because our logo is quite big. Okay, so let's go to your tagline, and because my logo already has a lot of stuff in it, I would not use a tagline. So what I can do is I can just hide the tagline just like this. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to the main comp, and yeah, all the effects are here. And of course, you can change the colors here also. Yeah, in all of these you can change colors. And this is how it looks. Boom, boom, boom. Of course, we can just change it back because with the blue color it looks better. Now, I'm gonna preview it and see you in a sec. Okay, so let's take a look at the new logo animation. And this is great when you need a logo that you want that should look professional and elegant, and that has to appear quickly. You don't want a logo that is gonna take maybe 15 seconds to appear. Just a couple of seconds, you branded your video, and then you can move on and show your content. Okay, so this logo is perfect for that. Okay, so let's check out logo number 7. So logo number 7 is this one, is this kind of rotating logo. Okay, and what we're gonna do here is I'm gonna just import my my logo, of course. What else? Drag it in, drop it in, and that's it. Your logo comp, you change your logo, boom, boom, boom. You already know the deal, you know how this works. You just drag it right in here, delete or close the old one. Yeah, you can just delete it. Click the delete and button, the delete key, and now you just scale the new logo into this frame. Okay, go back to the main comp. Oh, things are already flying around here. Okay, let's see your tagline. So you can see now in this case we need to make the logo just a little bit smaller, and you can do that with the scale property. Just scale it down a little bit. Let's go to the main comp. Okay, it looks good. Now at this point you can also change the tagline. Of course you know how to do this already. And let's take a look at this logo animation. But first, I forgot to tell you. Yeah, you can change the colors. Of course you can change the colors. You can always change the colors. Let's change this color also. Let's use some green color. And now let's use another color. What other colors are there? Lens. Let's use again a crazy color like this for the lens. And there you have it. Boom, boom. Wow, a lot of stuff happening here. A lot of stuff. Now let's go back. Let's go back. And let's preview this template. I really love the audio on this. So this one would work well for a tech company, for a medical company, something that has to have a little bit of futuristic feel to it, but it also has to be elegant. Okay, that's the goal of these templates, that they look elegant. They brand the product, they brand your video, but they look elegant and they are fast. Okay, so now let's go to the next template. Okay, so now we are at template number 8, and this is also a very simple logo, but in this case we're gonna use something crazy. Let's use the hell logo again. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the You Change folder. I'm gonna go to the Your Logo comp, and then I'll just drag this baby right here in, and I'm gonna delete the old layer, and now we have the new logo. Haha. Okay, so now, of course, now it's a great opportunity to change colors here. Okay, so that's the first thing that I want to do. Okay, just unlock this layer, click on the control layer, colors. Let's go to colors. Let's see what kind of colors we can change here. Let's see. Okay, and then we also have the tagline, which we could change, but at the same time black will look good on this one. So we're gonna preview it. Okay, so let's take a look at the preview. Okay, now in this case what we need to do is we need to make we need to push the logo a little bit up, and look at this, even the shadow has changed. Wow, that's just amazing. And all I needed to do is just switch some stuff around. Okay, I'm gonna make the logo a little bit smaller because it's just too big. Even this way is scary. If it's too big, it's too scary. Yeah, something like this. Yeah, you can play with the logo, of course, and then just change the position, change stuff in it. And now we can also change the tagline and so on. Okay, so now let's check out the next template. Now this template, logo number 9, I really just love, because it makes this, it kind of creates like a globe that envelops your logo, and like an egg, it appears again. Okay, so this is how the logo animation looks. And for this one, I'm gonna use again my own logo. Yeah, you gotta be proud of your own logo, you know. You probably want to see your own logo everywhere. You see, I'm the same way. You gotta just put your own logo at every possible place and every possible spot, and just brand everything, right? So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just add the BlueFx logo here, and yeah, where we add it, you already know. You just go to the You Change folder, the Your Logo comp, drag in the Your Logo comp, Your Logo. That's pretty obvious. Delete the old logo, scale down the new logo, like this. Go to the main comp and see the magic happening. Now what you can do in this case is just push the logo a little bit up, so that the effect will be in the center. You see, this effect is exactly in the center. Ah, this is just beautiful. Now actually in this case I don't need to change a lot, because the colors already are perfect for my logo. But let me show you just in this one it makes a lot of sense to play with the colors. Okay, so let's take a look. I mean, this is just amazing. And look how elegant, look how elegant the tagline appears. I want to show you something. Take a look at the details here on these lens flares. Just take a look how detailed this is and how well it's done. Whew. Of course, I've used green color, but you should not use green color. You should use the colors that you have also in your logo and also in your brand, because then it's just so much more beautiful, so much aesthetically it's much better. But okay, so this is the logo animation number 9, and this one I would say this one is my favorite. I love it. Okay, so let's go to the last one, the logo animation number 10. Okay, so here we are in logo animation number 10, and this one is really simple. It has a similar effect, but it has this 3D motion that makes it look great. Now, in this one, I'm not gonna add my own logo, okay? I've added our own logo too many times. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna just play around with the text. So you go to the You Change, Your Logo, double click, and this time we're gonna just change this text. Well, I like these colors. I don't want to change them. Okay, let's preview what we have just created. Okay, so let's take a look at the animation. Wow. And did you hear? I don't know if you can hear it through the microphone, but the moment the tagline appears, there's just an amazing sound. Check this out. Yeah. Now, of course, you can change the tagline. You can just change the position of the text just a little bit so it's closer to the tagline. Oh yeah, like this, like this. Okay, so that's it. This is how simple it is to make logo animations when you have the right tools, when you have the right templates, and yeah. Basically, that's it. These are all the 10 templates that I would say you can edit in your sleep. Of course, you kind of have to open one eye. Just open one eye. It's okay if you sleep, but open one eye. Now you can get these templates at bluefx.net. I'm gonna add a link under this video, and you can get to the logo supercharger package and see how you can create logos, how many combinations you can envision with this. Basically, what we do is with these templates, you can enjoy your own creativity. You can just play around with colors, with fonts, with logos, but you don't have to mess around with the hard stuff like all this coding stuff, all the composition creations, all those lens flares. You know, we created all of those for you, so you can just play with colors, play with text, and just drop in your logos. That's it. This is how simple it is. And from this, you just export the video and bam, you have a logo animation with sound. By the way, each and every single logo animation comes with sound, so you don't have to create your own sound for them. Of course, you can also turn off the sound if you wish, but they already come with pre-built sound. Of course, one important question that we get: do you need any kind of plugins to use this? No, we built everything in such a way that you don't need to use external plugins. So all you need is the basic After Effects installed on your computer, and it works also on the Mac and also on the PC. Okay, so with that being said, check out the Supercharger package, and if you like this video, if you want me to make more videos like this, just write me a comment. Or if you don't like it, just tell me, hey, I don't like your videos, man. I don't like it. If you do like it, however, I would definitely appreciate a like or some kind of a share. And yeah, let me know that somebody is listening to these videos. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.